Hi. This is Elwin Ng from TradeYourEdge.com, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Um, if you're here for the first time, this is where I give forex commentaries on a weekly basis. I talk about price action, I talk about support resistance, I talk about patterns. I hope you enjoy it. If this is something you're looking for, make sure to click on subscribe and click on the notification. Right, so let's begin. In front of me, I have the euro on a weekly chart. Looking on the bigger picture, I have seen a breakout from the major channel price. If I were to look at this little box here, price broke out of it not too long ago and has been ranging for a little bit. Since then, price broke out of this range not too long ago. In fact, it broke out by end of November 2020, and price has broken higher. If I were to look at the bigger picture, I have these two support resistance level that I've drawn, and price I suspect would well I expected price to have moved higher to touch this 1.24 level, 1.246 level before turning around, but it didn't. It turned around earlier, maybe due to some other levels like FIB or whatnot, which I'm not going to go into too much. For now, I think price would revert back to test this level. This is the 1.197 level. It could move back higher to my original target. Maybe yes, maybe no, not sure. It could create some sort of channel, some sort of trend line, not sure. So I'm just gonna keep it a watch. I mentioned last week that price would turn back to retest this in my last commentary. So those who took the trades, well done. If not, then a little bit too late now. So we just have to wait and see what happens at the next level. So once price react to this level, then we will see how it's going to bounce again. How it's going to react again, and then take it from there. Right. So that is the euro dollar. Next, I have gold. Gold on a weekly chart. Quite similar to euro dollar, it has a downward, but this is a descending triangle, rather sharp one. Price broke out of it, gave me a new high. So all the little boxes here, is just to show that this is a inverse head and shoulder pattern. Price is now at a new high. Having said that, there is no momentum, there is no conviction, there is no price action to support that is a strong bullish run. In fact, price is really choppy. Can't tell what's happening. I think if you're a range trader, then trade the channel. If not, I am staying out for now, just keeping a close watch. Remember, trading is 70 to 80% watching and 10 to 20% trading, right? So don't jump into it unless you have a very clear picture. Moving on, I have gold. Gold, for those of you who are not aware, is testing a big psychological level at 2000 mark. Price is now definitely in a very unique descending triangle or channel. It depends how you see it. There is an overshoot here, uh, maybe an indication of a potential long-term bearish run. Maybe, let's see. Um, the overshot here is interesting because this is a false break. If you were to look very closely, this white one here is a inside bar, and this was a false break up, moving downward. So that is, for me, is a clear indication. Moving to the daily chart, this could be a nice entry. Not sure yet. All right, so that is what I'm looking at. This is the euro, the pound, and the gold. Right, so that's it for now. Make sure to check out part 2 of my weekly sharing, which I'll be sharing a lot more on the crosses. So do stay tuned and hope to hear from you. Make sure to post any comments below if you have any questions. All right, thank you and happy trading.